Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Exciting and busy day today. We're off to Southampton to do a detailing studio, first of all for the team at Otterbourne Cars. So a good client of ours, they're having a nice colour scheme. We're going to get that done and then on to the next job. So stay tuned and we're going to take you guys with us. So that's the first job done. We're now going to head to Romford where we're going to be doing a garage for someone who's in the composers. So this is a music artist, they're quite big online, having the all black vented tiles. Let's go and get the second job done. Both jobs finished. Thanks for watching guys. Drop a comment below which floor did you prefer, which colour scheme. We've got lots of big jobs coming up, so stay tuned, hit the subscribe button and we'll see you on the next one.